Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to use a Google Keep for best note. Okay, let's start it. This is a Google Keep. Select this 9 dot, and this is the keep. And this keep is already open, and you take a note here. This is a title, and this is a take note title. This is the one, and take a note. This is 10 to close. This the note is already created, and you can easily movement. And in number 2, and number 3, and number 4. Okay, I'm create a 4 keep note. And you can easily movement here, and you can change also this color. This is the color. You can take through you like this theme. You can change it easily. At default, you cannot add a more color and theme. There is 6 color total, 7 theme. Okay. And you can also create a label. When you more of note, you need to set up a label like your office, your home, your work. How to you can create a label. You can see the add label. First you can create a label. Office done. Now you can set up this 2 label, Dhaka and office. You can set up this level, office, and you can see also this level, Dhaka office, Dhaka. Add level, Dhaka office. You can 2 level also add a 1 file, and when you're going this Dhaka level and office level is already here. You can click here this Dhaka, and you can see this 3 note already come. You can add this level, and when you can select this office, you can see this office level available. And you can also search here this level, Dhaka level, office level. When this level is big, you no need to scroll, and you also search this color. Okay, and you can easily movement is okay. And you also pin this note. This is not to down here, and you not to scroll this others note, and this pin note. pin notes are really important. When you unpin, this is going to others. Okay. And you also set up a reminder note. You can see remind me later, tomorrow, next week. You can set up reminder. You can also set up this time. And here is you can notification show your desktop bar for remind you, and you can easily work it. Okay. And you can see also list view and grid view as you like. You can set up change here easily. And here is some theme you can change also. This is the dark theme and white theme. And here you can set up also a place. Google map you also set up here. You need to go outside at any place. You set up a peak place easily. Okay. And you also a app download. This a key, and there is a keyboard shortcut. You need to this shortcut. You can just check out this here. And you need to delete note. This is note trash. You just check out. Check out this trash. You note or note is here.